And now Aam Aadmi Party has renewed its attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party for allegedly getting AAP supporters' names deleted from the electoral rolls in the national capital. However, the BJP vowed not to allow bogus voting in the upcoming assembly elections. But the AAP has now escalated its attack. Now, AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal will meet Election Commission officer this afternoon ahead of Delhi Assembly polls scheduled to be held earlier next year. Now, the polls are scheduled to be held in February or before it, but before that, the war of words continue between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. I'm also being joined by the spokespersons of both the parties. Charu Pragya, BJP spokesperson, is joining me, as well as Advocate Anmol Pawar is also joining me for the Aam Aadmi Party. Charu Pragya, coming to you first. The Aam Aadmi Party says that your party is responsible for deleting the voters who are supporting the Aam Aadmi Party in the upcoming elections.
Good morning, and this is such an interesting day to be discussing Aam Aadmi Party, because it's just today that they have declared they are going at Delhi elections alone, without their alliance partner, the Congress, supporting them. Over a period of time, we have seen that AAP has deliberately been facilitating and compromising the voter list to include the illegal residents of Delhi. They have done that for a long time. We have raised the issue even earlier. And what is wrong if responsibly Bharatiya Janata Party wants to make sure that every single person listed on the voter list is truly a resident of our country. And I think that is what irks Aam Aadmi Party. This is a situation where they have started crying foul before the elections have even hit the ground. And it's a clear indication that Aam Aadmi Party is thinking they are going to lose this one badly. Like their partners, the Congress, they want somebody else to pin the blame on, and they are setting up the ground for that. I'm very clear about this. So let me remind them that this is not the way it's going to work. Of course, the Chief Election Commissioner is going to meet them, because here is an organization which is going to be doing its job. But at the end of the day, I'm pretty confident nothing is going to come out of this. The only certainty is Aam Aadmi Party is going to lose this election.
Okay, point taken. Charu Pragya says, Anmol, that this is just the desperation of the Aam Aadmi Party. You will get nothing out of meeting the Election Commission officer. How do you respond to that?
Aditi ji, we have evidence that the BJP is dishonestly targeting specific voters, and particularly those who have traditionally supported AAP. We have received numerous reports of names being struck off the voter list in almost 14 assembly constituencies of Delhi, where the residents have lived for decades. And this is a blatant attempt by the BJP to rig the elections. And shockingly, these voter removals are being carried out through complaints filed by BJP's own booth-level agents. And in many cases, entire families have been removed from the voter list, with the removal document reportedly stamped and signed by the BJP BLAs. So they are systematically disenfranchising poor voters. This is a direct attack on the democracy and the constitutional right to vote. So today, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal will meet the Election Commissioner and demand his immediate intervention to ensure a fair electoral process and prevent any further tampering with the voter rolls.
Okay, point taken. I thank both of you for joining us over this. So immediately, the political war of words continues ahead of the Delhi elections. My colleague Ishika Verma is also joining me for more on this. Ishika, the war of words, we heard how the BJP is defending that there is no such thing as election rigging, but it is just Aam Aadmi Party which is desperate to win polls, while the Aam Aadmi Party continues to state that it is the BJP who is trying these foul activities to win the elections.
Well, yes, certainly, the war of words continue, but it was certainly a very big allegation that came from, in fact, the Aam Aadmi Party national convener, Arvind Kejriwal himself, a few days back, where he said that over 11,000 voters' names have been deleted from, in fact, from the voters' list. And this, he alleged, has been done after the complaint was filed by the BJP. So certainly blaming the BJP also over this. And what is also very important here, that apart from the fact that he is meeting the Chief Election Commissioner today at 3:30 p.m., yesterday as well, when the India bloc meeting was going on, he had raised this point. So certainly, it is going to be a very important issue that he expects even the India bloc members would extend their support to the Aam Aadmi Party for raising this issue ahead of the elections. Now, certainly, how will the meeting go and what will be the conclusion that will be derived, that remains to be seen. But on the other hand, the BJP, that is the opposition here, since the very start, they are saying that these are all baseless allegations. No such thing has been, has been done. But certainly, they are saying that the complaint that was filed, it was filed because, in certain areas, it was found that people who were not living there or people who had shifted there, their names were still in the voters list. On that,
Right.
certainly, the complaints were filed. So certainly the war of words only intensifying before the election.
Right,
Over to you.
Ishika, stay with me. We have more news coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party. The Aam Aadmi Party, the India Bloc Alliance for Delhi that was stitched during the 2024 general elections appears short-lived, as Aam Aadmi Party's national convener Arvind Kejriwal has now ruled out any possibility of an alliance with the Congress Party. In a post shared on the platform X, Kejriwal said, and I quote, Aam Aadmi Party will be fighting this election on its own strength. In the national capital, there is no possibility of any alliance with the Congress. Ishika stays with me. Ishika, there were earlier speculations that the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress can make an alliance for the Delhi, but it seems, while there are several questions being raised on Congress's leadership role in the India bloc, now the Aam Aadmi Party is also junking the possibility of any alliance with Congress.
Well, Aditi, in fact, the speculation that there might be any kind of, alliance between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, in fact, was there after, there was alliance on the national level for the Lok Sabha election. But we did see that it was the Aam Aadmi Party leaders themselves who first, said it very clear that they would be going solo for the Vidhan Sabha elections. And now also, in fact, we are seeing that Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party national convener himself, in fact, making it sure, writing it in black and white that there is absolutely no possibility of an alliance between the Congress Party and the Aam Aadmi Party, and that Aam Aadmi Party will be fighting on its own strength. Now, this certainly, on the other hand, if we see the Congress Party, if we talk about the Delhi unit, the Delhi unit has always, been a critic of Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party, but the national leadership of the Congress Party, they certainly are neither denying nor they are agreeing to any possibility of an alliance. So it is the national leadership of the Congress Party that still continues to remain silent whether or not there could be any kind of talks regarding the alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party. But certainly, if you look at the Aam Aadmi Party's strategy so far, they have in fact said that they are strong enough to fight the Vidhan Sabha election, and that is why, in fact, they have come up with this strategy. So how will it pan out, and will there be any possibility of an alliance even in the end? That certainly will be interesting to see. Over to you.
Right. Thank you so much, Ishika, for those updates. Also, listen into how the AAP MP Raghav Chadha reacted to when asked about if there will be any alliance with the Congress Party.
ये बात स्पष्ट कर देता हूं कि आने वाला दिल्ली चुनाव आम आदमी पार्टी अपने संगठन की ताकत और अपने राजनीतिक बलबूते पे लड़ेगी। किसी प्रकार का कोई गठबंधन का सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता। ये जो खबरें हैं कि क्या आम आदमी पार्टी और कांग्रेस के बीच गठबंधन हो सकता है, होने जा रहा है, अन्य प्रकार की खबरें, ये पूरी तरीके से निराधार हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी पिछले 3 दिल्ली चुनाव लगातार अपने बलबूते लड़ती आई है। चौथी बार भी वर्ष 2025 में जब दिल्ली में विधानसभा चुनाव होंगे तो आम आदमी पार्टी अपने काम की और अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के नाम की बदौलत चुनाव लड़ेगी और चुनाव जीतेगी। किसी प्रकार के गठबंधन की कोई गुंजाइश ही नहीं है।